Hello and welcome. Today, we're taking a closer look at the early bird Hostel Ayutthaya, a fantastic option if you're planning a trip to Thailand. You can find a direct link to book your stay in the description below, or simply scan the QR code on screen. Early bird Hostel Ayutthaya is a charming, two-star hotel nestled right in the heart of Ayutthaya. Its location is incredibly convenient, just about 600 meters from the city center, giving you easy access to everything Ayutthaya has to offer. This makes it a perfect base for exploring whether you are traveling for business or leisure. The hostel's intimate size, with just 2 rooms, creates a really cozy and personalized experience. You can expect a warm, welcoming atmosphere that will make you feel right at home. The friendly staff are dedicated to making your stay as enjoyable as possible. Check-in starts at 2 p.m., and the team there is always ready to help with any questions. Plus, with a renovation in 2021, the hostel offers modern amenities and stylish decor, ensuring a really comfortable stay. You'll find a delightful garden oasis for relaxing, and don't worry about staying connected as free Wi-Fi is available. Breakfast is included, and parking is provided. For a unique and memorable stay in Ayutthaya, the Early Bird Hostel is a great choice. Don't forget, you can book your stay today using the link in the description or by scanning the QR code right here on your screen.